What's up guys, welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Azadin. And today's tutorial will be unboxing the latest microphone BM1000. Welcome back. So as we said, we'll be focusing on the microphone and the accessory for this tutorial. We'll check with you the new microphone of BM1000, which is the latest offered on AliExpress shopping platform. Okay, so these are the different articles that we have found into our package that we have seen before. As you see, it contains most of the articles that you need to set up a studio microphone. And as we said, this is the latest BM series condenser microphone, which is the BM1000, which has just been released about 1 month ago. So it comes with the different cables, different accessories, and the amplifier and the sound switch and the sound card, which is in here. To start with, we have the support of the axe, this one, and steel. Great, it has good look. Well done. This is where we'll fix into your desk. Here is where you put on the microphone, and on the other side to be fixed on the desk from in here. So I'll come later show you how to set up this one. Have the different adjust it from here. Great. So this is the first article. With this we're gonna need the fixer, this one, which will be fixed into your desk. Great, it's so easy and sleek and does not hurt your desk. Made from gum and plastic. And here you fix the other support. Right. Next we have the different cables. As I said, it comes with all the different cables that you will need. Yeah, so we have 2 of them. We'll see later how would we switch this. A male and a female cable for the microphone, and this is for the sound card. Great. And this one, which is the red one, which goes for the microphone. Cables of good quality, order not to damage the cable. Great. And here we have the jack 3.5, which is steady one, that will be plugged into the sound card or into the amplifier. Good. Next cables are these little ones to we're gonna use with the amplifier and the sound card. Okay, so here we have different cables. It's the charger cable that could be plugged into your computer. The next one is stereo sound cable, jack 3.5, which will link your sound card with the computer or with the amplifier. Great. And the last ones are sound switches, and for the microphone and the headphone, okay, getting from the same input. Next one is just the same but just one. Right, and the last one is another 3.5 jack stereo. Good, so we'll continue with cables, and here we have another switcher. This is a simpler one. This one should be plugged into your computer, which is the opposite to the other ones that we have seen. So some output and the other ones are the input. So here with by plugging this into your computer jack, that could be very useful. Great. Next we're gonna need this one, which is support for the microphone. Be attached to the support in there. If you are using other types, but you will not need this for this kind of microphone, because it is different and has another way of being attached to the support. Next, we'll have an idea about the amplifier, the phantom power, which is a 48 volt phantom power. Switch on and off. We'll have a separate video on how to use and make the most of this gadget to have a better sound quality, so just keep tuned. You have the input and the output and the power, which can be plugged into your computer, and it offers 48 volt phantom, which will be useful for your microphone and the sound quality as a whole. Well done. Next we have the sound card. Very professional, simple but professional sound card. So this is the guide you can check in order to get the different possibility of linking and using this device. We'll deal with most of this or different ways of using it on our coming tutorials. Great. Let's have a look at the sound card itself. Cool. Great. So it's very sleek and very good looking. Switches made of plastic. To explain the different functionalities, as we said in coming tutorials, because the video will be too long for this unboxing. Have the different switches, plugins, charge. Good. At the back here we have the different possibility of linking this device. You can have live, headphone, the headset, the microphone, and at last the charger and your music that you want to use along with your voice. So when it comes to the price, it's really smart budget to have all these devices all together in one package. Now we have this filter, which is a famous filter used of better sound quality. So that's it.
www.raqmedia.com.
Which is made of hard plastic and steel, and it is flexible. Great. That's it. Let's move on now to the main thing, which is the microphone itself. This is the BM1000, latest one of the BM series, and which is a very promising microphone, as it has an intelligent chip which deals with the sound. So this is the guide. You see it's sensitive, pure sound quality, high sound production. It comes with different specifications and high quality column polar audio core, excellent circuit design and transformer output. It offers low noise, high dynamics, strong sounder, and as I said, it's a condenser microphone. It has a LED light when it is on if you are using a phantom. Right. Now, so this is the BM1000. You can see it is adjustable, 360. You can adjust it as much as you want. And here the support. Have it into the support. So to link this, you just put it in here. First of all, you need a small support. Just plug it in here. Now you can just put on your microphone after adding this plastic screw in here. That's it. For setting up the filter, you just adjust your screw, this one in here. Done. Next, let's fix it. So this filter will be useful to reduce the noise and get you a better sound quality. It's done, and as we said, it is adjustable, so you can adjust it as you want. What you need to do next is just to plug in your cables and connect the different articles, whether the sound card or the phantom power, into your computer and start recording. Keep tuned for our next tutorials, in which we'll show you different tips on how to use and on how to make the best of these devices and how to get the best sound quality that you desire. Till then, this is Ezzedine. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.